Hi, my name is Kevin. Welcome to the Silent Challenge presentation for Whiteship Key Platform. Whiteship Key Platform is the next generation vetting platform. It is using big data and predictive analytics to improve maritime safety and efficiency. On last couple of years, we did have a lot of complaints from customers regarding to it's not user-friendly and time-consuming. And our silent challenge is how may we improve vetting inspection process so we can improve customer certification. We did use customer journey mapping and interview as the major research. On the interview, we picked B-shipper from our major customer and interviewed them while video conference. In the interview, we start with some general questions. For example, what is your role? How often you using key? And then follow up with some of the deeper questions. For example, what do you expect key can be provide? What is the pain point you had? What is the most valuable feature and any feature you would like to implement in key? On customer journey mapping process, we did sit down with a team of 5 and draw out the whole customer journey together and discuss with the team about what is the pain point and opportunity on each customer touch point. And it did give us a very good picture on how the whole process looks like for everyone. There are a couple of major takeaways we got after the research. For example, personalization and one-on-one service is the hottest request from our customers. They often find their case passing between different vetting supervisors and need to explain the same case again and again. Time taken to submit and processing vetting and inspection is very long. It can take up to a few days to complete the process, and customer doesn't mind to pay more for having dedicated vetting supervisor to follow up their case. The silent challenge is still on the same direction, but now we can identify the area we are focused on. Before, our silent challenge is improve customer satisfaction and create better alignment in what customer need. But now we change it to how may we improve vetting inspection process so we can improve customer satisfaction. For the idea workshop, we are starting with a group of 5, including myself, Hayden, Tess, Josh, and Brian. We did use crazy 8 method on our idea workshop. Every member in the team will come up with 8 ideas, and then we will group up all the similar ideas and add it to the storyboard, and then discuss and voting the top 5 ideas together. We are based on the design challenge to adjust the idea. Following is the outcome provided indicated. Supervisor communicated via video call, urgent request, provide more detail and frequent update is the major idea we pick up for prototyping. The feedback for prototype testing are very positive. Following is the major insight we got from the prototype testing. Technology has changed a lot on user behavior. Instead of waiting few days for the report, now customers expect it can be done in 24 hours. Super doesn't mind to pay more for new personalization and one-on-one service, and customers also recommend the estimate process time and more frequency update is very important for them as well. This project will majorly focus on the customer touchpoint areas. For example, provide a dedicated supervisor, communicate via video call, urgent requests, provide more detail and frequency update. Customer satisfaction of key has decreased every year. Based on 2019 customer surveys, 20% of customers are willing to move if they have another company can provide the same service. And now is a good timing for us to implement this new feature. Regarding to the virus, the amount of the vetting inspection requests has dropped almost 20% of this quarter. So we have time to restructure and train the vetting team to the new process. The customer feedback from the prototype are very positive. 80% of customers are willing to try, and 60% of customers are willing to pay another 20 to 30% for this new feature. For estimate goal in 6 months, we will see the average score for customer service increasing by 20%, and in 12 months, we will see the number of requests for vetting inspection increasing by 30%, and 80% of vetting requests will using the new feature. The processing time for the vetting waiting process will decreasing by 40%. For the impacting and opportunity, we will need to restructure the pricing model. For example, providing pricing bundle to improve long-term relationship with customer and estimate the running cost of those new features. And the second one will be restructure vetting supervisor team, and the way how they work. For example, set up a new team to handle the urgent requests in each region, and require vetting supervisor, proactively update the vetting status, and create vetting ownership for the dedicated supervisor. And thank you for listening to our presentation. Thank you.